world is changing fast. I realized that what brought me here cannot anymore bring me further. That the challenges of the future demands a different me. By becoming a USCMA, I was able to strengthen my core accounting skills and broaden my competencies in other areas, including technology and analytics. I have never felt more ready to tackle the unknowns and changes of the future. Earning the USCMA title and receiving the ICMA Gold Medal Award was an inflection point in my professional journey. I was elevated to the global stage and many doors and windows of opportunities were opened to me. Finally, I relocated here in Bangkok, Thailand as an expat in one of the largest and fastest growing tech travel companies in the world. Here, I play an important role as a strategic business partner and value creator to help make travel more available and become a more positive experience to more people around the world. For me, the USCMA title, more than just a credential, is a testimony of taking charge of your professional growth, of creating value in your organization, and of making an impact in the broader society.